I hope you guys have been having an amazing day. I think I'm just about to make it even better for you. I figured out how to apply your solids perfectly. I was not sure if it would work, but now that it did, I was like mind blown, and I am no longer scared of solids. And solids are gonna be my most favorite strips to apply now. I'm not even lying. Okay, so I already planned out my strips. I set them all aside so that way I can preserve my leftovers. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is go ahead and get started. So what you're gonna wanna do is not peel off the protective layer, the purple tab. Keep that on, guys. Keep it on. All you're gonna wanna do is peel off the backing. So I'm just gonna wanna kind of separate the silver tab from it and peel off the backing. I know, something different, right? All right, so then what you're gonna wanna do is just get your nail polished as close to your cuticle as possible without covering the cuticle. And what you're gonna wanna do is just start pushing down. Now I am gonna warn you, it is gonna look like that. It's gonna look wrinkled, but don't you worry, this is all part of the process. So the goal of this, guys, is to allow the nail polish to stick onto your nail bed and allow the clear protective layer to separate from the nail polish. So it is a little bit of a process to do this, but it won't be that bad. So I'm just pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. And you're gonna see wrinkles. Like I said, it's perfectly normal. The goal is just to push down that nail polish to where it holds onto your nail bed. My kids are screaming. Don't be alarmed. My baby just woke up, so he's a little grumpy. Okay, so if you're lucky, after your nail polish is fully adhered, the clear protective layer will actually separate on its own. But after you think that you've applied it to the best of your abilities, you could just peel it back on your own. So what I'm gonna do is I like to just kind of bend this part closer and hold on to the silver tab. And I'm just gonna peel off the clear protective layer. Okay, so you know how I showed you these wrinkles? Well, check this out, guys. Okay, ready? Are you guys ready for this? So I'm gonna use my thumb to just smooth out the wrinkles. You could also use your cuticle pusher if you want to just make sure that those wrinkles are smoothed out. And sometimes I find that the cuticle pusher really, really works the best. But if you don't have it, I'm just gonna show you with your thumb. Okay, so if you see there's a wrinkle on this side, don't you worry. So we're just gonna use our thumb to push it down. And as you can see, that wrinkle is completely out already. Oh my goodness, guys. And if you ever see any lifting on the sides, like luckily I don't have it, but if it ever lifts or wrinkles, just push it down with your thumb for 3 seconds, and then it'll keep it pressed down. Okay, so now that you have it on your nail, just go ahead and remove it like normal. I use my thumbs to perforate underneath, or you could use your nail file, whatever works best for you. But as you guys can see, it is perfectly laid down. No wrinkles, guys. Honestly, I have a theory of why it works. I think it works so well is because that clear protective layer just allows that nail polish to sit perfectly on your nail beds without stretching so much. I think that sometimes when we stretch it too much, it causes those wrinkles. But as you saw, as soon as I took off that clear protective layer, it was wrinkled. And then using the body heat from my thumb and smooth it down, and now it's perfect. I don't care how it works. I'm just so happy that it does, guys. I cannot wait for you guys to try it out as well. So if you have leftover solids sitting in your freezer, go try them out. Just try this out first before you open a brand new set of solids, just to get an idea of how it can work and Please, 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 please let me know how it works for you. I cannot wait. This is literally going to change the way that I wear my solids all the time. So thanks guys so much for watching. Hopefully that helps everyone. But have an amazing rest of your day, everyone.